Hi, hello my dear students. So I'm going to discuss something very important. So you are going to write CBSE exam, physics exam in few days. In this few days, many students are doing this mistake, and I wanted to give you a clear cut clarity about what are the things that you should focus and what are the things you should not to focus. Okay. So in these days, many of the students are focusing on majorly on out of syllabus questions. So out of syllabus topics basically. So the thing is, like, if you are focusing on out of syllabus part in the last few days, it will affect you so badly. So focus on the things that we have in the syllabus. So first you can just take your NCERT, take the syllabus and just mark what are the required topics. And in the required topics also, few things still you are studying unwantedly, some of the derivations. So that is what I'm going to tell you right now. So first of all, the derivation for the energy stored in the capacitor. As we studied half CV square, the formula is very important and you can expect questions from there, but the derivation is not at all required. And when it comes to the magnetism chapter, you have studied the equation, the magnetic field due to a solenoid, which is coming as mu 0 Ni. So in this, the derivation is not at all important. And next we have studied the magnetic dipole, and the magnetic field due to this magnetic dipole are equatorial and this axial, which is also not important. You just need to study the formulas. Whatever I have said, the formulas are important, but you don't need to focus on the derivation part. Next is nothing but wave optics, which is very important. Many students still making this mistake, many students wasting their time on unwanted things. So first is nothing but interference. Interference is there, the concept is there, the formula is there, and you can expect numericals as well, but the derivation is not at all required. Fringe width again, it is not at all required. We need to study the concept as well as what is the formula. We don't need to study the derivation. And of course, diffraction, it is in the syllabus, it is a major topic, but you need to focus only on the formula. Do not study the derivation. Next is the most common mistake, polarization. Still students are learning it. I don't know what is the reason, because that is not in the CBSE syllabus. So ignore it completely. Just focus on the syllabus what we have. And next is nothing but in the chapter nuclei, we have radioactivity, but that is a deleted topic. You don't even need to touch that topic. You can completely ignore that. So guys, all the best for your exam, and do not waste your time, because if you are studying something more, nobody is going to reward you. Studying something more or upgrade yourself is very important, but in the last minute, in the last lap, if you are wasting your time, I won't be preferring that. So focus on what you want and focus on what you have to focus. Thank you so much.